What if your dream home could go anywhere, through mountains, deserts, and highways, with pure power under the hood? The 2026 Ram Motorhome truck is not just an RV, it's a bold statement on wheels. Welcome back to RV TourHub, where we explore the most exciting homes on the road. Today, we're diving into something truly next level, a motorhome built on the legendary strength of Ram trucks, combining luxury living with heavy-duty performance. From the very first glance, this motorhome commands attention. Built on a reinforced Ram heavy-duty chassis, it brings unmatched towing capability and durability. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or heading deep into off-grid terrain, this beast is designed to handle it all without breaking a sweat. Step inside, and everything changes. The rugged exterior gives way to a modern, luxury-inspired interior that feels more like a high-end apartment than a vehicle. Soft ambient lighting, premium materials, and smart design create a cozy yet sophisticated vibe. The living area features plush seating, a convertible dinette, and a large smart TV, perfect for relaxing after a long drive. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances. You get a compact refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and ample storage. Whether you're making a quick snack or cooking a full meal, this space is designed to make life on the road effortless. Now let's talk about the sleeping setup. The 2026 Ram Motorhome includes a spacious master bed with high-quality cushioning, along with additional sleeping areas for family or guests. Overhead compartments and hidden storage ensure you can carry everything you need without cluttering your space. One of the standout features is the advanced technology integration. From touchscreen control panels to smart climate systems, everything is designed to be user-friendly. You can control lighting, temperature, and even monitor battery levels with just a tap. Solar panel compatibility also makes this motorhome ideal for off-grid adventures, giving you freedom without sacrificing comfort. Performance-wise, it's exactly what you'd expect from Ram, powerful and reliable. The engine delivers impressive torque, making it easy to tow additional gear or even a small vehicle. Smooth handling and enhanced suspension ensure a comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. With advanced driver assist features, including lane monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras, you can travel with confidence knowing you're protected every mile of the journey. But what truly sets the 2026 Ram Motorhome apart is the experience it offers. It's not just about getting from one place to another. It's about living freely, exploring endlessly, and creating memories wherever the road takes you. So if you've ever imagined turning the world into your backyard, this motorhome might just be your perfect companion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to RV TourHub for more incredible RV tours and road-ready adventures.